Drive Instagram engagement using video content. Social media and digital marketing have become more mature over the years and have greatly affected how businesses employ marketing strategies. Instagram ads has been a helpful tool for many businesses when it comes to advertising their products and services. Now that social networks are flourishing in the world of online business, it would be better for brands to always come up with a good marketing strategy. One of the most effective strategies that you can use to drive more engagement on your Instagram account is video content. Instead of just posting striking images, video content is another way for you to engage your audience with your brand. Instagram has already transformed how multimedia content is used as a marketing tool, so as a business owner, it would be profitable for you to use video content for your Instagram ads. Instagram videos versus Vine. Ever since Instagram and Vine launched, a comparison between the two has been drawn. Both of these video sharing platforms are for mobile users. However, there are key differences between them. Instagram videos last for 60 seconds, while Vine video only lasts for 6. Instagram allows you to add filters. Instagram has more than 600 million users compared to the 40 million users on Vine. Neither of the apps is better than the other, but when it comes to advertising, there are many reasons why you should choose Instagram for your marketing strategy. One of these reasons is video content. But how do you get your Instagram video marketing started? How to use Instagram for video marketing. Instagram video has created many opportunities for businesses to advertise their brands. It is now the new and creative way to increase brand visibility. Here are the top strategies on how you can use Instagram videos for your business. Go behind-the-scenes videos. Giving your audience the chance to see behind the scenes of your business is a great way of showing off. Let them see how you create your products, what a day at your business looks like, and backstage peeks at the events you hold for your business. This helps you make your audience feel that they are really connected to your business. Behind-the-scene videos also show your transparency to your audience. How-to videos. Another strategy for your Instagram video ads is to show your audience how you can solve common problems or teach them something new. If you want how-to videos to be more effective, use your own products. It is engaging to show them that you can actually use your products while making videos at the same time, promoting your product in a not-so-obvious manner. Create UGCs. The use of user-generated content, UGC, is now becoming more popular. This concept allows your Instagram followers to create content for your products. This can give you a lot of content ideas and build a connection between your audience and your brand. Successful Instagram ads still depend on the quality and relevance of the content. Using video content as a strategy can be very helpful for you to realize your marketing campaigns. Be entertaining, unique, and fun in making your videos.